Think snoring is just annoying. What if I told you it could be a warning sign from your body? Snoring isn't always innocent. It could be a red flag for a serious condition called obstructive sleep apnea. In OSA, your airway gets blocked during sleep. This causes your breathing to stop multiple times a night, sometimes for 10 seconds or more. Over 22 million Americans suffer from sleep apnea, and 80% of moderate to severe cases go undiagnosed. It's not just about poor sleep. Sleep apnea increases your risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, and even car accidents due to daytime sleepiness. If your snoring is loud, causes choking sounds, or leaves you tired despite 8 hours of sleep, it's time to talk to your doctor. Your health might be whispering through your snores. Are you listening? Follow for more medical truths.